Looking for a working Hostinger coupon code? This quick Hostinger review will help you make the right choice. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans. When you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also get an additional 20% referral discount automatically. Hostinger focuses on speed and simplicity. You get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which helps you create a website with ease. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. With its performance and ease of use, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting options available. So, if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.